my name is Daishan Ramesh, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite slimes, glitter slime. Let's get to it. Alright, so you'll be needing glitter glue of your choice. You will be needing borax and a water, which is an activator. So all you have to do is put in some borax with some warm water, mix it all up, and you have your activator. Then you'll need a mixing tool and a cup. Let's get to it. So first you have to put in your glitter glue. So I'm gonna do that. And what I really like about this slime is that it's really stretchy, and you can do it in almost about a minute. And it's really nice. Alright, so we have all our glitter in there. Some of them didn't come out, and now I'm just gonna mix it all together to make like a really nice and shiny color. So as you can see, it's really pretty. And now all you have to do is put in your activator, which I have in this dropper. And you just have to put like 1 or 2 drops. And you just have to mix that all together. And as you can see, it's like coming together like really fast. And just put in a little more. And just mix that all together. As you can see, it's really stretchy. So now you just have to knead it a lot, and then it'll become a really nice and stretchy slime. As you can see, it's really sticky. If you don't like it this sticky, and even after you knead it, it's still really stretchy and too sticky for your taste, you can put a little bit of borax, and you can just put it on, and then knead it along with your hands. And as you can see, it's not too sticky. If it's still too sticky, which it really is, just put more. So you can just keep on putting borax, the activator, until you get a slime that's good for your taste. And you have this really nice, stretchy slime. Now, I didn't make too much, but if you have your glitter glue in a bottle, then you can put more. I have them in these small tubes, which is why I didn't get to make too many. And I hope you liked this video, and put down in the comments below what other slimes you'd like me to make, and if you like this slime. Bye!